Good morning, everybody. It's Chris.
And Joan.
For Chris and Joan's Travels. Well, this is our Saturday vlog. This is our last sea day. We were supposed to pull into Great Stirrup Cay, but unfortunately the weather, well, the waves were, I guess, were too big and we couldn't tender. The tender came alongside and was just being pounded into the ship, so the captain said it wasn't safe. So we ended up having a extra sea day. So on our 7-day cruise, we hit 2 ports and 5 sea days. Yay! The cruise, I will say, the cruise almost to nowhere. We did see Cosmo. We did see the Nassau in the Bahamas. So we did have 2 good port days. Let's see. So today kind of started out like any other day. Worked on some videos. Went down to use the sauna and the steam room. Unfortunately, they forgot to turn it on at 8 o'clock, so when I was ready at 8:30 to go in, the steam room and the saunas were all cold still. So I just took a shower. Came back up to the room. Joni was ready. I was ready. We were going to go get off and go to Great Stirrup Cay, but instead we ended up walking around the ship for a little while. To be honest, I don't really remember much of what we did. We were just walking around.
We had breakfast first.
Oh, we had breakfast.
Normal.
We had our normal kind of breakfast over in the... Well, we were going to go to the Hudson's, but it was 9 o'clock and they had already closed.
Missing it. It's fine.
So we ended up eating in the buffet. And then after that, we just kind of looked around. Ended up coming back to the room, putting all our crap back in the room. We did some packing. That's what we did. Came back to the room. We got 2/3 of our packing done. Then we went up to the pool deck and it was packed. There was no places. I was just laying on the deck in some corner at one point. Joni ended up finding 2 seats and we ended up just sitting on the pool deck for the afternoon, working on our tans.
You wanted the slide?
And then at some point after that, at 12 o'clock, the wave slide opened. And I went and did the wave slide. Joni recorded me doing that. I actually did it a couple times. I actually think I did it 4 total times yesterday afternoon. It's quick. It was fun. I'll put that video up on that. And then after that, we just hung out on the pool deck. Joni was in the hot tub. I went in the hot tub. About 3 o'clock, I decided I needed to go get some steps, so I went down to the 8th deck and did 30 minutes of walking around the 8th deck. But I think it's kind of funny, I actually turned my Garmin on while I was walking. I was doing 4-minute miles, according to my Garmin, the speed of the ship. And we were just off of Freeport in the Bahamas at that point. So then I went back up, I met Joni, we hung out on the, till 5 o'clock up on the pool deck in the hot tub. We had a 7 o'clock reservation at Hazuki, so we got cleaned up. I went down to the spa and jumped in the mineral water and I finally got my steam in. And then I took my shower down there. Joni was taking hers up here. We then came down. Joni got her final charm for her charm bracelet. I went and took care of our pictures. So we got all our pictures. We'll post some of those at some point. The ship pictures. And then we went over to Hazuki. We got there like at 5 to 7. We had 7:15 reservation and they were like, come on in. They weren't packed, so we used up our 5th dining because we're platinum. We got 2 for being platinum, dinner for 2 for being platinum, and then with the more at sea, we had 3 more. So we had 5 specialty dinings, and we used all 5. And oh my God, I'm stuffed. I think I can go a week without eating if I had to. But the food overall really was good. Yeah, we really enjoyed Hazuki. They put on a good show. You know, it's kind of like Shogun, the Japanese bar cook doing his thing in front of us, puts on a show.
Excuse me.
So that was really good. I'm going to make a whole video of that. I did record that whole show, so that'll be worth watching maybe. And then after that, we did a little walking around, and at 8:30, we went and got our line for the show. The show that last night was Red, White, and British. Red, White, and British. And we ended up sitting there, and this is where it's going to get a little tail. The show was very good. The show was about an hour long. It was a good music.
They're so good.
Good music, good singing, and good dancing. We were pretty much entertained the whole time. And then, now keep this in mind. We only had a few drinks today, so we weren't drunk.
I was not drunk.
We decided we were going to go down to the 6th deck instead of up like we had been doing. And we're walking down the port side stairs, and just as we get to the bottom, Joni tripped. Hit her knee on the stage and ended up on her ass. Can't say it any other way. Her backside. So we ended up having to be taken over to medical. Couple nurses came and helped and got her up. We got her up, sitting up, but she can't walk. We ended up going over to the medical. Security came and got her. They got a wheelchair for her. Security took her to medical. They did an x-ray of her knee. They didn't find any broken bones.
Most likely sprained. It popped. I can't put any weight on it.
So yeah. So tomorrow when we get back to California, we're gonna take her to an emergency room or an acute care clinic, something. We'll call our doctor, figure that out. But the nice thing was, because it was an injury on the ship, they didn't charge for the x-ray or anything. They just said, hey, you're good, don't worry about it. Because I was kind of sweating that, because I've heard nightmare horror stories of
insurance
things. And then, so we ended up finally getting back to the room at midnight. While they were taking care of her, I came up to the room. I got the suitcases out into the hallway. Unfortunately, I didn't get a lot of pictures of that. I really wanted to get a whole bunch of pictures. I got one. Yeah,
he was taking care of other things.
So we got our bags out. So our bags are gone. Went to bed about 12:30. We were up at 5:30. Just couldn't sleep. Too much on my mind. I got up early, and that was Saturday. It's now Sunday. So we're gonna end this vlog for Saturday. So I'm Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. And follow us along as I hobble to the next videos.
Those will be fun getting off this ship. Bye.